This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox passes on mobile. First, open your preferred web browser on your mobile device, like Chrome or Safari. Navigate to the Roblox Creator Hub, ensuring you are logged into your account. This essential platform is where you will manage all aspects of your game experiences and create new items for your players. Once on the Creator Hub, locate your specific game experience from the main dashboard. It is crucial to switch your mobile browser to desktop site mode for full functionality and easier navigation. This small, important step ensures you can access all the necessary menus and options, just as you would comfortably on a computer, making the mobile experience much smoother. Within your game's dashboard, find the Associated Items section on the left-hand menu, then select Passes. Click Create a Pass and upload an image directly from your phone's gallery. Give your pass a memorable name, like VIP Access or Speed Boost, and add a clear description, making it appealing to potential buyers. Your image should be clear and distinct. After creating your pass, toggle the Item for Sale option to green. Then, enter your desired Robux price for the pass. Think carefully about its value. Remember, Roblox takes a standard 30% commission on all sales, meaning you will receive 70% of the Robux. This system ensures creators are rewarded fairly for their efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.